discuss the washing machine mock-up project. We are the group 4. Hi, I'm Hannah.
Hi, I'm Arnold.
Hi, I'm Pau, and the cameraman is Kalim.
Okay, before that, we're going to introduce or discuss the basic parts of washing machine. The first one, we have the circuit breaker.
Protective device.
This is the protective device or the one who protects the washing machine. Next one, we have the wash timer. This one is the one who controls the washing machine and siya rin nagsiset ng time kung ilang oras ka maglalabaw. Pangalawa, we have the capacitor and it has 4.5 microfarads. Next, we have the wash motor. And also we have the diagram, the schematic diagram, the thermal blocks, and the wires. Okay. Next, we have the operations.
Next, we'll explain the schematic diagram and its connection. First, can you come closer in the schematics? Okay. In here, consider this short one a line 1 and this long one line 2. In line 1, we'll see this letter C, which is circuit breaker. It's connected to wash timer, which is right here. And the line in the actual connection is this one, this red one, connected to this brown one, which is called the common of wash timer. And in line 2, it's connected to wash motor, which is this line all the way here in terminal block,
That's common.
and to this color gray all the way to wash motor. Next, the capacitor is parallel to wash timer and wash motor. So the connection is this yellow and red one are the starting and running. And here, which is the parallel of capacitor, this blue one and this two red one are both connected in here all the way to the next terminal block, all the way to wash motor. And now, we'll try to test it.
Now, we will now try to test it. It is working. Okay. We will plug now, and this is the circuit breaker. We will on it. Okay, it's already on, and we will now start. Okay, you can see now it is working. Oh my God! Oh, wait, we will wait for reverse. It will reverse now. Okay, stop. Okay. Oh wow! It's reversed now. You can see it is working. The motor is working. Oh, you can see now. Okay. And now, we are done with the washing machine mock-up project. And like and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, bye!